Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Temu app data on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Temu app data on your phone, first we'll be required to open the settings of our phone and not the Temu app itself. And after opening the settings on your phone, guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option over here. Just above the location you can see there is the apps. Tap on apps, and over here tap on the app management button at the top of the screen. And when this page loads, guys, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar available for us. Tap on there and search for Temu app over here. And after searching for Temu, open up the Temu on this interface where this kind of panel will appear, and we'll be required to tap on the storage usage over here just below the data usage. Tap on storage usage, guys, and you can see the clear data button available for us over here. Now in order to delete the app data of your Temu app on your phone, tap on clear data button and all of the data on Temu app will be cleared out or deleted, and your Temu app will be restarted and resetted like a new downloaded app on your phone. With that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to delete app data on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.